Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to show you how to clean a fuel injector. So I got this little rubber cap for something, so I put a hole in it and glued the straw in for some carb cleaner here, which is what I'm going to use to clean it. You're going to have a hose clamp or else it's going to fly off with the pressure in the can. Fuel injector, I got these two wires here. It's a nice little heat shrink connector that I made that goes right onto the pins inside here. Alrighty, you're also going to need a 12-volt supply. Positive and negative don't matter from side to side. You can just hook them up either way and it'll still work. But okay, I'll put this together and show you what to do. It's pretty simple. I ended up having a bunch of gunk in my injector here, so it's not a bad idea to run the cleaner through both sides, because your blockage could be on this side and then you're just mushing it into these tiny little holes here and that just gets clogged. Okay, so once you've made this guy up, you want to take the O-ring off of the injector so you can slide it on just like that, and then we'll take our clamp. Don't go extremely tight. Okay, and we take our connectors here. 1, 2. Awesome. Alright, so positive and negative. It's important that you turn the power on and off while you're doing this. You don't want to just supply constant power to a fuel injector. You could mess up the solenoid that way. Okay, so I'll take this. Okay, and I'm gonna put some pressure in. And you're going to want to do this for a bit after it's gotten better. You want a nice even spray. Let's see if we can get that on camera. See, that's getting a lot better now. Okay, I think that's good enough. Safe to say this injector is clean. Those are nice and even streams right there. I'm happy with that. We'll just put it together and see how that works. This was a 2.7 liter V6 from a Hyundai Santa Fe, and it was pretty easy to get to these front injectors, so I was lucky. The other injectors are all the way under there, so you have to remove this intake, which takes about an hour, but this side is much faster. Well, thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, you know what to do. Have a good one.